Ninja and Cosori are the two most searched air fryer brands on the internet right now. Both look great in ads. Both have thousands of 5-star reviews. So how do you know which one is actually right for your kitchen? Most buyers spend hours reading conflicting opinions and still guess. Today, we end that confusion. We tested both brands head-to-head across every category that actually matters. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which one to buy. No guessing required. Here is the problem. Air fryers are not cheap. A decent model costs $80 to $250. Buy the wrong one and you are stuck with a loud, underperforming machine eating up precious counter space. Maybe it cooks unevenly. Maybe the basket is a nightmare to clean. Maybe the app crashes every single time you open it. These are real complaints from verified buyers, not edge cases. Choosing without a proper comparison is a costly gamble. Most YouTube reviews only skim the surface. We go significantly deeper so you do not waste your money. We at AirFryerGuidance have tested dozens of air fryers across multiple brands. Our methodology is straightforward. We evaluate 4 core pillars: design and build quality, real-world cooking performance, ease of use and features, and long-term value for money. We apply that exact framework to Ninja and Cosori today. No sponsored bias, no guesswork, just honest, detailed analysis so you can walk away with total confidence in your purchase decision. Every finding in this video comes from hands-on testing with real meals. Let's get into it. Ninja builds machines that feel premium straight out of the box. Models like the Ninja AF101 and Ninja Dual Zone AF300UK feature solid matte plastic, tight basket seals, and ergonomic handles that feel built to last. Cosori, specifically the Cosori Pro 2 and Cosori Lite, lean toward a cleaner, more modern aesthetic with white and light gray finishes. Both brands offer 4-quart to 6-quart capacities suitable for families. However, Ninja's Dual Zone models give you 2 fully independent baskets. That is a serious functional advantage. Cook 2 foods simultaneously at completely different temperatures with 0 flavor transfer. This is where it gets genuinely interesting. We cooked chicken wings, frozen fries, salmon fillets, and vegetables in both brands under identical conditions. Ninja runs hotter and faster, ideal for crispy results on wings and fries. The Ninja AF101 hit consistent internal temperatures 20% faster in our controlled tests. Cosori's heating element distributes heat more evenly across the entire basket, which produces better results for delicate items like fish and roasted vegetables. Neither brand is definitively better across the board. It depends entirely on what you cook most often. We break down specific recipes and results at airfryerguidance.com. Ninja wins on physical controls. Their dials and buttons are intuitive, especially for users who dislike touchscreens. The Ninja Dual Zone even lets you sync both baskets with a single button press, incredibly convenient for weeknight dinners. Cosori bets big on smart features. Their VSync app connects via Wi-Fi and gives you 100+ built-in recipes directly on your phone. If you love tech and meal planning, Cosori is genuinely impressive. However, the app carries mixed reviews. Multiple users report consistent connectivity issues. Ninja keeps it simple and reliable every time. Cosori brings real innovation, but with occasional friction that may frustrate less tech-savvy users. Cosori is typically the more affordable entry point. The Cosori Lite starts around $60 to $70. The Cosori Pro 2 sits at $100 to $120. Ninja prices vary more by model. The Ninja AF101 runs $80 to $100, while the Ninja Dual Zone AF300UK jumps to $150 to $200. That dual basket feature commands a premium, but for families cooking multiple dishes at once, it pays for itself quickly. For solo users or couples on a tighter budget, Cosori delivers exceptional value per dollar spent. For larger households wanting maximum cooking flexibility, Ninja is worth every extra cent of that price gap. AirFryerGuidance exists for one reason: to give you honest, unsponsored kitchen appliance reviews you can actually trust. We have tested over 40 air fryer models across 12 brands. Our team cooks real meals in every single machine before writing a single word of analysis. We track long-term durability reports, monitor feedback from verified buyers, and update our content regularly as new models release. Thousands of readers visit airfryerguidance.com every month specifically because they trust our independence and depth. We do not accept payment for positive reviews, ever. Every verdict you see is earned through real testing, not advertising budgets. Here is our clear verdict. Choose Ninja if you want faster cooking, a reliable dual-zone option, and simple physical controls that never let you down. Choose Cosori if you want smart Wi-Fi features, a lower price point, and excellent even heating for everyday family meals. Still not 100% certain which model fits your household? We have a full written breakdown with side-by-side specs, recommended models by household size, and our top picks for every budget level. Go to airfryerguidance.com right now. The link is in the description below. Subscribe for honest appliance reviews every single week. The right air fryer for your kitchen is one click away.